Hello and welcome to A History of Math from Pythagoras to Newton, where we cover the major math discoveries that have helped shape the world we live in today. In this lesson we cover the Hindu-Arabic numerical system and the development of algebra. Throughout the history of math, various number systems sprung up from different civilizations. All these number systems had different ways of doing arithmetic, but no other system compared to the Hindu-Arabic system. It was developed in India around the year 600. There was one key element that this number system had, and that was the number 0. Having the number 0 made the algorithms for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing much easier. Around the year 1200, merchants in Italy quickly adopted this system because of its convenient way of doing calculations. This represented a shift away from old systems such as the Roman numerals and the abacus. Around this time, algebra was also being developed. The development of algebra can be attributed to Diophantus of Alexandria and Al-Khwarizmi. Much of algebra is an abstraction of geometry. For example, this is the representation of the Pythagorean theorem, but today it is mainly represented by the symbols of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Hence, a lot of properties of algebra come from geometric constructions. Thank you for watching A History of Math. Make sure to like and subscribe.